Aloha everyone and welcome in. David Tatera here. I'm going to give you a quick run today of how to purchase some internet computer, Dfinity, the new crypto that's kind of popular and popping up all this week. We're going to go on KuCoin and I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to pick some of this up if you want to for yourself. So click that like button down below, hammer that subscribe button, let everybody know that you appreciate what we got going here, and let's get started. All right, quick word of warning before we begin, just to let you know I am not a financial planner and I am not a financial advisor. Everything I say today and anything I share with you is just for entertainment. It is not financial advice. Please seek a professional when deciding where to put your money. I am not that professional. Thank you. I'm going to start by heading over here to KuCoin. You can Google it or you can type in KuCoin.com, whatever is easier for you. And we are going to sign up for a new account with these guys. So it does require phone verification. And it will send me my phone code. Pick my CAPTCHA options. All right, now it should be sending my phone code to me, and as soon as that arrives, I can pop that right in. There you go. You heard the little ring in the background there. That's it showing up. Okay, so I've got my code, and then I'm going to create a password. Store that away, and I don't have a referral code, and I'm going to sign up. I already have digital assets. I'm not sure that I can buy crypto on KuCoin. If you don't know, I happen to live in Hawaii, and Hawaii has some very weird crypto laws, so it's incredibly hard. But most likely what I'm just going to do is I'm going to deposit some funds. I'm just going to send some of my money from my Trust wallet over, and that way I can use it to buy that internet computer coin. All right, so I am going to deposit. Let's see, I think I have a little bit of Bitcoin left. Let's do a Bitcoin deposit. Okay. All right, cool. So I have a Bitcoin address. I'm going to pop off of here and I'm going to go log into my Gemini account. And I am going to send a little bit of money to this Bitcoin wallet address. And then once it arrives, I'll jump back on and we'll finish this video up. In the meantime, I do have a really amazing offer for you guys right now. If you want to go over to getmyfreecrypto.com, we are offering our normally $97 airdrop masterclass. It's right now totally free. This class will teach you how to get free crypto coins and tokens, and I'm not talking about junk crypto. I mean, last year Uniswap gave away 400 tokens just to test out the platform. If you had picked that up right now, that would be worth about 17, well, probably after last night, more like about 15 grand because everything kind of tanked, but $15,000 for crypto you could have picked up last year for free. So jump on getmyfreecrypto.com and tell us where to send the course links, and we'll send that airdrop masterclass link right over to you guys. All right? All right, let me go get this money transferred, and I will be right back. So as you can see, for step one has been completed. I just got a text message indicating to me that my deposit was there, and sure enough, the money that I sent out of Gemini has arrived in KuCoin. But you can see it's still listed as in progress right now. What that means is that it's on the blockchain, but it hasn't been confirmed by enough different nodes yet for them to be sure that it's really there and that I can't take it and run or whatever. So now I just have to wait for that to actually go through, and once it's no longer in progress, it will be moved into my trading account, and at that point, I can go ahead and purchase that internet computer. And now you can see I refreshed this a couple times, and just suddenly it shows up now as status completed. So that means that I have got my deposit here in KuCoin, and I can go ahead and head over to my trading account and make a trade. And it turns out that even though I have it deposited, what happens when you initially send money to KuCoin, I'm new to the platform, it goes into your main account. And it turns out that your main account is for deposit and withdrawal into fiat currencies, and then your trading account is what you trade between different ones. So I want to transfer from my trading account. Oops, I want to transfer from my main account to my trading account, and I want to put it all in there. It's all going to be used for trading. So 00222. That should be that. Okay, if I just click on that little available, it gives me the available. So let's confirm that, and boom, now it's into my trading account. All right, so trading account over here. All right, and the symbol for internet computer is this ICP. There it is right there, internet computer. And I would like to do, and so I learned along the way, I need to make sure that I start off in my trading account. As you can see, I can pull up ICP here in my main account, and it looks just the same, but it shows zero balance and nothing that I can do with it. But if I move over into my trading account, now I've got a balance of Bitcoin. So now I can pull up ICP and I can do a trade, because that's what I want to do. I want to trade ICP and Bitcoin. I want to trade back and forth between those two right now. So when I do that, it pulls up KuCoin's trading platform, which is pretty cool. It's pretty advanced. But you can see down here we've got our spot trades, our futures trades, limit trades, stop limit trades, all the different kinds. It's a really really good exchange. I'm impressed so far. I'm going to be excited to dive in a little further and learn more about it. But right now, I want to do 50% of my Bitcoin into ICP. So that would be 0.001 Bitcoins. And it says, please set a trading password. So I have to go and create a trading password for one of their security things. It's going to send me a verification code. So I click send code, and it sends that verification on my way. And I'm just going to go, now I've created my trading password, and I'm going to add it to the sheet I keep printed off with all my passwords, which if you're into crypto very long, it ends up being a lot of them. But I've got my trading password confirmed now. Okay, I don't think that the trading password actually liked having the exclamation point in there. So I went in and I tried one that was just all numbers, and sure enough, it accepted that. So just put in a 6-digit numerical code, and that seems to be working better for that. Okay, so now we've got that, and a spot trade. And I want to go from, this is not the trade that I want. I want ICP, internet computer, and Bitcoin. Okay, so now I've got my Bitcoin ICP. I'm going to put in 0.001 Bitcoin. And it should tell me how much ICP market, best market price available. There we go. Okay, so I don't want to do a limit trade. I want to do a market trade because I'm looking for the best market price available. So 50% of my Bitcoin to ICP by ICP. Let's see what it says. You successfully placed the order. I have no idea how much I just bought, and I don't know what I just paid. I'm a little new on this exchange. I hope I didn't just kill myself, but we'll find out. The joy of crypto, man. All right, so let's go back to my assets. On KuCoin, my trading account. Oh, and there we go. Look. Now my Bitcoin has gone away. You can see half my Bitcoin went away with that, and I received ICP. So I now have 0.172437331 internet computer coins. So there you go. That's it. If you want to buy the newest and hottest thing out there, the ICP, that's the route I think is the easiest to do it, is to do it with KuCoin. There are some other exchanges if you're familiar with CoinGecko. When you pull it up, it'll list to you all of the exchanges that it's on. So if you put in ICP and it pulls it up, you can see it's actually on Dfinity Explorer. It's on its own network. It's not a Binance or a Ethereum. But then when you go into markets, it's going to list them all here. So like you can see Wobi Global, Binance, Coinbase Pro has it. But I don't have access to a lot of these being in Hawaii. KuCoin is one that I do. So I went on into KuCoin and I successfully made the trade. Not too difficult. All total took me about 30 minutes, including signing up and pausing to make the video and everything. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward process. All right. Do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button if you made it this far. Obviously, you learned something, so this was a valuable tutorial. Click on the subscribe button. We'd love to have you as a subscriber here at and you know, we'll share only the best videos with you that we have. Once again, if you're interested, getmyfreecrypto.com. That's where you can get that free crypto airdrop masterclass, where you can learn all about how to get the best free crypto out there on the market. And stick with us here at Crypto Tutorials. We're going to keep showing you the best new tutorials on how to buy and sell and trade and own and store everything about your crypto. All right. Thank you guys. Much aloha.